I'm just gonna take the
You're
bus.
taking a bus. I'll drive you home. Claire has almost saved her half of the money she needs for a car. Isn't it right? We went a few times left. I can drive you guys around.
I'm...
You won't be able to hear my dad tell jokes that only he thinks are funny for an entire career unless you come. You don't really want to miss that. I can more gifts than I thought I did.
Can I put this in here?
Yeah, I get it. Thank you, Marcia.
Maybe he's just into...
Maybe you just don't know where he is.
Hey, can I help you?
What?
This is the one. He's really funny. He does these weekly videos. See? It's so random.
That is so weird. You have a crush on him. I don't get it.
Pause it.
Yeah, go back.
Why don't you
I
get it?
just don't get it.
He's blonde and he's
no,
cute.
his eyebrows are just like...
Shut up. His eyebrows?
Yeah.
That's the one thing you couldn't get?
How does he even do that?
That's the whole point why I'm showing you, genius.
Hey. Permiso, I think you have the wrong car.